network and wear Lightstrade on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So we can follow us. You can follow us on SMS by searching Lightstrade. Now let's go to the next factory and have a look. So now next factory is Shenzhen Jin Hui Technology Corporation. Hello.
Hi. Hello.
Hello. Good afternoon. I am Casey for online team. So may I have your name, please?
Hi, Casey. I'm Shirley.
Shirley. Yeah. Hello. Now we have 15 minutes to take a view of your company and your product. So could you introduce your company to us?
Okay. First, let me introduce myself. I'm Shirley from Shenzhen Jin Hui Technology Co Limited. I worked in this factory for more than 10 years. I'm salesman, also the owner of this company. So I'm very experienced. It is a pity that we can't talk face to face, but we always let you know. We're always here waiting for you. This is my name card. Please screenshot and scan my code. Okay.
Yes. Okay. That is your catalog or your WeChat?
Yes. This is my name card. Catalog is...
Oh, okay. So if you scan the code, then we can get your contact information, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we take a chance to scan the code.
Okay. First one is my name card. You can scan this short screenshot and then scan the code. Okay. Second, let me introduce my company. Shenzhen Jin Hui Technology Company was established in 2006. Over 15 years development. We have 2 factories now. One is located in Shenzhen, China. Another one is located in Anhui Province, China. Shenzhen factory was in charge of sales, R&D, some kind of production. Anhui factory was in charge of production briefly. We have 420 staffs, including 20 technicians and engineers, 30 salesmen for domestic and overseas. 70% of our products were expected to Europe, America, South America, Southeast Asia, Middle East, and other places. More than 50% was due to Europe. Okay. You see, we are manufacturing power supply. Now let me introduce our power supply. We have many series.
Okay. Can we take a look at your product?
Yes. This one is RB20 switching power supply, metal case power supply.
Yeah.
Can you see it clearly?
We can see, yeah. If you show us the real product, that will be better.
Okay. Just like this one.
Oh, that's better. It's better. We can see clearly now.
But we do our broadcasting. This one is waterproof power supply.
Oh, can be used outdoor, right?
Real product is this.
Yes.
Waterproof power supply. RP67.
This product is waterproof, and the IP is 16.7.
This one is RP44 adapter.
Adapter.
Yeah, the plugin. Plugin can customize.
Okay, so it can customize depending on the customer need, right?
And this one is very slim and ultra serious. It's slim is this one is ultra.
Ultra slim. Yeah, it's a good
Real
appearance.
power cost like this. The last one is Bluecase power supply. Bluecase power supply. Real product is this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Now I'd like to introduce our hot sale product. This one. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Look at this product. It's very small, but it's very beautiful.
Yeah, very small and beautiful. Yes.
Look at this. This part can be other color, red, green, blue. It depends on a customer requirement.
Yeah.
It's so small and narrow, for it to install furniture, wooden furniture easily. It also can be used in a refrigerator or cooler.
Okay.
And many kinds of lights.
Yes. It's convenient to install. Yes, the size is very small.
Yes,
and
it's
so
beautiful but small.
Yeah.
Most of all, it is very, the plastic case is fireproof. So it is safe when it's used in wooden furniture.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yes, Shirley. Thank you for your vivid introduction. Yes, your English is very good. You speak fluently.
Thank you.
So I have a few questions to ask you. Where is your main market?
Our market is in Europe or South America. For example, Mexico, Argentina, and Poland, England, Spain, Italy.
Yes. So which country are you sell to your product?
Which country? Yes.
Yeah.
Mexico, Poland, Russia.
Oh, okay.
England.
England, yes. Okay. So how to guarantee the driver, the quality of the driver is very important. So how to guarantee the quality of your product?
Our product guarantee is 2 years or 5 years. For example, this one can be due 2 years, but also we also can do 5 years. Depends on the companies. Companies is different, so the guarantee is different. We have a few defective rates, about under 0.3%. If there is defective matter within 2 years, please bring back to us, and we will check it and replacement immediately.
Okay. Okay. So Shelly, do you have any other thing you want to share with us?
Also, I have another product to share with you.
Okay.
Okay. This one is waterproof. Waterproof power supply not only used in waterproof circuit, but also can use very harsh environment. For example, very high temperature, high temperature, high moisture, high vibration, and high dust, and even high salt. So if your product was used to very harsh environments, this product is suited for you.
Yes. You said just now it can be used in the high temperature. How many temperature degree it can use?
About 76, 70,
75
degrees
degrees.
Celsius.
Oh, it's wonderful.
Another one, this one. This one is also waterproof.
Oh, it's also waterproof.
But also smaller, so small, so it can build in light design.
Yes. What are these
very popular
application?
It is very popular. This is 60 watts, and this one is 15 watts.
Oh, how about the size? Can you tell us the size of the driver?
The size is about 12 millimeter.
Oh, 12, right? 12 millimeter. Yeah, it's very small.
And it's also 12 millimeter too.
Okay, that's great.
Very
It's very, yeah. So I suppose this driver could be installed inside the lamp, right?
yes.
Okay.
It's widely used, so we sell it popularly.
We can see.
Any other questions?
No. Yeah. So how about the NOQ and the lead time? Hello, Shelly.
Yes.
How about the NOQ?
Different types, different items have different MOQ. For example, this is about 500 MOQ. 500 pieces.
Oh, 500 pieces.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. How about the lead time?
500 pieces. This one is adapter.
Adapter, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Shelly. Thank you for your vivid introduction. It's very it's wonderful. Yeah, it's great. Thank you, Shelly.
Thank you. And last, I want to show our catalog.
Catalog. Oh, yes. If you scan the code, then we can get a catalog, right?
Yes. Please screenshot and scan the code letter.
Oh, okay, okay.
This is our catalog, and this one is our website.
Okay. Yes. So our customer, yeah, we will get your catalog and the contact information. Thank you, Shelly. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you next time. Thank you.
Bye.